Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course, in today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to log a exercise on your Samsung device. All right, so this is the S26 Ultra. I'm going to show you to record a workout. This will work across every Samsung device as the apps are the same. All right, so you may be wondering, how do I log a exercise session or record an exercise session? It might not be obvious because, of course, you might not be able to find an app that's dedicated, or of course you don't see it in the main app. All right, so of course right away I'm going to be doing this specific to the phone, but of course the same should be able to be done with the watch and the information sync between your devices. This is a Galaxy Watch. All right, so if you don't have a Galaxy Watch, it doesn't matter. This tutorial is specifically for the Samsung phones. All right, so let's go. So you can use the widget. If you do not have the widget, you can always use that information to quickly gain access to your health information. But just in case, press on hold, go to widgets, then of course go to health, and tap on the health. You can add the widgets here. I recommend the widget as it's easy to see the information. You can tap and be taken to the app. All right, so the way to find the app is to go to all your apps, go to the Samsung folder, and here you have health. Go ahead and launch health. As you can see here, this is the health. It keeps track of your activity, your calories, your steps taken. And you can see it at a glance. Here is the same information on the widget. Now, where is the option to log your exercise? So for example, if I'm doing treadmill, or if I'm doing a stair step, or of course, if I am jogging or swimming, where do I find this on the Samsung devices? I don't see it anywhere. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. If you look up here, it's not here. The way to get to it is once you're in this main app here, you're going to hit the back button. I do not know why it's like that, but for whatever reason, that's it. So hit back, and there you go. By doing one step back, you'll see Samsung Health. And here you are. You can see the information again. If you want to go back to that screen that you were on previously, tap here. And there's sleep in terms of your sleep score. And of course, you look here, you'll see some information and some timers and some mindfulness stuff down there. But if you look right here, the key ones are you going to take a run, tap run? Are you going to take a walk, tap walk, bike, tap, and so on? Additional ones that are not seen here, you can tap here and you can see it right here. Right, so from here, go ahead and choose any of these. Walking, biking, hiking, track, run, there's pool, swim. Of course, be careful with the phone in terms of your water, and check out the water rating in terms of what you can do to your phone before taking the water. And I would recommend your watch, or the watches for going into the water, because those are waterproof versus using the phone. It said treadmill is there, bike indoor is there, elliptical trainer, circuit trainer, weight machine, and it says other workouts. They're all there. You can find the exact one, but these are the key ones. If there's one here that's you specifically like to do or do a lot, go ahead and hit the star. It will appear in the main ones up here. All right, so you can do that. All right, in order to activate, either click on it here or go back. And I'm going to use running as an example. Tap on running. It will ask for contacts and stuff like that. You don't necessarily have to allow, but it might affect the functionality. As for me, I'm going to say don't allow. It says nearby device. I'm going to hit cancel. And here you go. So there's a target. You can set your target and hit start. Once you hit your target, for example, distance target, duration target, or your calorie target, that is to actually set a goal so you can actually break. And once you set that, you're going to go ahead and hit start. And once you hit start, guys, the workout is going to run. You can hook up your headphones, or of course your wireless Bluetooth headphones or wired headphones or whatever it is. And once you do that, guys, you'll be good. And the information will be logged as a part of your health. You can tap here to go back here, and you can exit. You can have quick access to the widgets, and that's it for the health on your Samsung devices such as the S26 Ultra. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. If you have direct questions, you can ask them below. It's Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.